So let's start the session, guys. Okay, so let me open our project. So my screen is not sharing, right? Oh, just give me a second. Let me share my screen. Okay, so hope my screen is visible to everyone. Can anyone confirm? Can anyone confirm that my screen is visible or not? Okay, fine. So let's open our project. So dashboard. Okay. So this is what we did, right? So let's run this one. Okay, so this is what we did yesterday, right? Yesterday we did this. So let's open our actual mockup. So this is our actual mockup. So we designed this category, right? Let's design these popular dishes. So for popular dishes, we'll copy this categories thing. Okay, this category heading, right? We'll copy this category thing. Let's keep one div and copy this category. We copied that category heading, and let's change to popular dishes, and let's see the output. It is like a little bit attached, right? So let's apply some margin in the top using margin top class, right? Mt3. So using this a bootstrap class, so some margin came. Okay, now let's design this thing. Okay, let's design this thing. It is looking like same thing. Let's design this popular dishes thing. Okay, and this recent offers and all that you design by yourself. Okay, so I'll tell you how to design this. So same like this and this is just same things. This and these are same things, but this one is little bit larger because of that image and all. Small changes only. Okay, so what we will do is we'll just copy this card and we'll put it after this dish. Okay, we'll put it here and let's see the output. Okay, so we got this, and let's do one thing. We'll keep this thing in another div and apply some margin top. Okay, so apply some margin top to this parent div class equal to MD3. Okay, now good. So what we'll do is we'll just increase this width of this card. Okay, so remember, like we set the width of this card, right? Custom category card, we wrote one class in style.css. This one custom category card and width 100 pixels, right? So what we'll do is we'll write custom dishes card. Okay, custom dishes card, and we'll increase the width. Okay, we'll increase the width. Let's set width to maybe 200 pixels. Let's see how it will look. Okay, this is fine, I guess. 200 pixels is fine. And this image we need to take, right? Chicken biryani. Let's take chicken biryani image. Chicken biryani image. Just okay. So which one is looking good? So this one is looking good, I guess, for showing biryani. So let's open a new tab, copy this image, and come to HTML, paste in place of this PNG image, and see the output. So chicken biryani came, but this one is like because of our we set width to 50, right? That's why it is showing small. So let's keep width to 200, and it is out of the card. So let's maintain it to 150. Good. Like just adjust it to the level of card. Okay, now it is good, right? So 180 it is good, but height is too much, right? Let's try to reduce the height to 100 to 130 is fine, I guess. Okay, so 130 is fine, Hana. Okay, and now there's 5-star rating is there, right? So we have a we'll have image of this one. So this 5-star rating will we can have a image, or else we have a icons. Okay, icons also. So let's take the icons. So icons, font awesome icons. Search for, click on free icons, and let's search for rating. So we'll use this one. Okay, we'll use this one, star, and copy this. We need 5 stars, right? So after this we'll put one div, and inside that we'll copy this 5 times, and let's see the output. See, and if you want to change this stars, like stars are looking yellow color, right? So here stars are looking yellow color. So what we'll do is we'll apply color for this fs star. Okay, fs star will apply color. So let's come here, fs star color, let's keep it as yellow, and let's see the output. So it's like too light, right? So let's take this gold color, right? Take from click on Colorzilla, hover on that particular star, you will get the color. Come here, paste it, done. Okay, now you have this 5 stars, and what is that? Chicken biryani, right? Chicken biryani text, and which is like black color only. So here text is showing gray because of this text gray. So we'll remove this text gray and apply chicken biryani here, chicken biryani, and see this. Okay, and let's put some curves, border radius here. So for that, what we need to do, if you remember exactly, we need to apply rounded class. We already did it for other images also. Okay, now it is looking good. So 5 stars, chicken biryani, and then price will put here in another div. We'll raise price, and here if you look at it, price and plus icon, like price and plus symbol is on the same line. So what we'll do is we'll put both in two divs, and then we will put in the like we will merge it. Okay, so price, right? So suppose mm, I'll put 200 rupees. Okay, either you can use rupee symbol. Okay, you can go here and search for a rupee if there is icon here. Okay, rupee. Okay, icon is there, just copy it, copy the icon, and put the icon here, and 200, just go here and see. Okay, 200, but this text is like little bit small, right? So let's apply fs6, which is like font size 6. Sorry, font size 6 is not there, I guess. Font size 5, but still this icon is like a little bit more, right? So other thing we can do is we can just copy the symbols. Okay, so if you search for a rupee symbol, you will get this symbol, right? You can just copy this and directly put it in our html like this. Okay, you can do this also. See, this is fine, right? And for like making it little bit thick, let's do it like fw bold, which is font weight bold. Okay, we already applied these classes already before. So if you missed this yesterday class and day before yesterday class, just go through our videos in our YouTube channel. So our YouTube channel name is Simuleduco Solutions. Okay, you can just join our group. I'm daily posting like uploaded videos there. Okay, so fw means like font weight bold. Okay, so now 200. Okay, now that add button, right? Let's do that add button. Okay, so for that add button we need that plus icon, right? So let's go here in the icons, search for plus, and you can see nice plus symbols here. So you can add whatever you want, like this plus is also fine and this plus is also fine. So I'm going with this plus and add this icon. And if you see here, icon came, and I need what background color, right? Background color to, where is that? Background color to like violet, right? So we remember yesterday we wrote one class called bg violet, this class. So this class will apply. Okay, we'll apply here for this div, we'll apply this class. So let's see how it is looking. Okay, it is looking like for all the things, so we'll apply that only for icon. So for this bg violet we'll apply only for icon. Okay, so because if we apply to div, it is applying to that entire line. Now it is looking good. Let's apply some padding here. Okay, like p2. It's more, right? Let's apply p1. Okay, this is good. And let's apply like a border radius, that means rounded corners. For rounded corners, what we have to do, rounded class is there, and you can see that rounded corners came. And if you see that plus symbol is in black color, which is not good, so I am trying to change it to white. So how can I do that? There is already bootstrap class which we discussed yesterday, which is text light. Okay, text light. So you can just click on that text line. Okay, now for doing this in the same line, yesterday we discussed about the flex concept, right? So I'll tell you once again. So just check for either any bootstrap class is available for that or not. Okay, so that is a display concept. So search for a display, click on plus, and search for the things which satisfies you. I think this justify content between will satisfy for me. I just copy that these classes deflex justify content between, go to the parent div, paste it here, deflex justify content between, and if you see, done. Okay, the same, right? Same thing we got here and here. It's the same thing. Let's do that for veg fried rice and hakka noodles. So let's copy the same card. Okay, and this one came in the downside, right? So for getting side by side, what we need to do, I already told, we can put deflex here. Okay, we can put deflex and done. Okay, see this. So let's change the names. Okay, veg fried rice 180 rupees, noodles 220. Okay, and if you see here, oh, okay, so I changed, that is fine. So veg fried rice, hakka noodles and chicken biryani. Okay, 180, 220 and 200. This is what you can change the images. And if you want to show the star rating, you can take unfilled star, like which is not filled. You can take that star which is not filled. This one, this normal star which is not filled. Okay, fa regular, right? Fa regular, you can just take this star, and instead of this one you can put it this normal one. Okay, instead of that one you can put this normal one. And if you see here, see, you can see that fa regular, right? Suppose, see this, 2 star, 3 star and 5 stars are looking good, right? Same like our other websites. So I'll always give 5 star for this chicken biryani because I love biryani. Okay, so if you love veg fried rice or noodles, you can give 5 star for them. Okay, so veg fried rice, so like this you can give 2 star, 3 star and 5 star. So biryani, like I'm a biryani lover, so if you are biryani lover, just give it 5 star to eat. Okay, so veg fried rice, okay, this is what, like how we can do this dishes, like we can change the images. Okay, so let me try to change that hakka noodles, right? Hakka noodles images, which one is good, which one, this one is good. So let's open it in new tab, big link, that is okay. And then another one is veg fried rice, right? Oh, this is veg fried rice one actually. So this is veg fried rice, and this is hakka noodles. Here I need to change this image. Okay, let's see. Okay, so pretty good. Veg fried rice, hakka noodles and chicken biryani. Okay, this is how you do the cards. So let's this part is done. I told you, right, this recent offer something that you take care. And the see all button you are seeing, right, this is very easy. So just take it as a task and do the see all button. Okay, and this part, now we'll start designing this part. So this is also very easy thing, I'll tell you. So first we need to put one card. So this div 2 3 will start implementing. Okay, this part will start. Okay, so first let's take one div. Okay, and let's put one card here. Okay, class equal to card, and inside that we have this another three cards, right? One, two, three cards are there. So let's do one that thing. Div class equal to card, and here what is balance something is there, so we'll write that balance. So div like 20,000. Okay. So 20,000 and some other things are there. Let's see this how it is looking. Okay, this is looking like this. So what we'll do is, I will do one thing, just apply some padding for this card like P2. So now we are seeing that card in card. So what we'll do is, so we'll, for the parent card we'll apply this background violet color. Okay, because here we have a background violet color, right? So here we have a background violet color, right? So we'll apply the same here also. Okay, so for here, what is the class name? It is bg violet. That's what we wrote in. So bg violet came, and for this background color should be white, but our color card color is coming as a little bit gray. So for getting that, we need to use bg light. There is already a class in bootstrap which is bg light. Okay, in the same way we apply text light, right? Text light. So like that we have a bg light also, which applies background color. bg means background, light means white color. Okay, so it will apply background white color. And let me write as another two cards also. Okay, so two cards also I'll write. Very good. Nice. Okay, so this is how it looks. And the second one is something like top up and transfer. Okay, so let's do one thing, let's do this charge, right? Top up, let's search for that icon. If it is not getting, we'll search for charge. Okay, top up. We are getting octopus. We don't need octopus actually, like charge we search. Okay, maybe we can take this one and we'll put it here, and here we'll write top up. Okay, top up. And the same way we have what, transfer. We'll search for a transfer, and you can take whatever you like. Then transfer, we got icons for transport also. Let's do one thing, let's take this one. Okay, copy this, do it as transfer. Okay, nice. So this is how it looks. So we'll style this one like this. Okay, so let's first one, this one, right? bg light, we'll name it as like bg light purple something. We'll name it as and write one class. Okay, so take colorZilla, over on it. Okay, so we'll write bg violet, right? So I'm writing bg light violet class, and changing background color to that color I copied from colorZilla. Okay, and now I'll apply this class to this card. Okay, this card bg light violet. So I'm already applying bg light violet, so I don't need this. Okay, and pretty good. So I need to make this little bit more so that I can use I can put this in h2 tag or he tag, or so whatever it is, like which is suitable for you, you can keep it like. Okay, it's too high, right? h2, let's do h3 or h4 is fine, I guess. Okay, pretty good. So h4 is fine. So let's apply some padding to this, because like it is attaching to the edges, right? So let's apply some padding. P1 is fine, I guess. So okay, okay, P1 is fine. So let's make this two in a single one, like using deflex. We can do that with I told you, right? To make it to a single line, we can use deflex. So this div div. I'm applying deflex to wrong one. Okay, so maybe card is inside this. I can put one more div, and here maybe I can apply class equal to deflex. Okay, so I'll add some margin, or I'll set some width to this balance. So we'll keep like balance card. Okay, so let's write some width for that. Balance card width 120 pixels. Let's see how length it comes. 120 is fine. Okay, 120 is fine. And let's keep some font weight for this. Okay, let's write some font weight for that. There is a class called fw semi bold, so which applies bold, like not that much bold and not that much lighter. Semi bold means like which is in between that bold and light. So let's apply some margin here because these two cards are attached, right? So for this card I'm applying some margin me2, which applies the margin at the end. Okay, margin end me means margin end and value 2 means like it depends on pixels. So this is how it looks, pretty good. And let's increase the size of this charge symbol and transfer symbol, so it will be like look little bit good, right? So let's do that. Fa bolt and fa right left, right? So first we'll apply for fa bolt. Font size 20 pixels. Let's see how it comes. 24 is fine, I guess. Okay, or 26. Okay, 30 is looking good. So let's apply the same to other icons also. So I told you, right, how to apply same styles for two classes. Like this you can put comma and apply the classes. Okay, so pretty good. Let's make this to center. Let's make this to center. So how can we do that? We have a class called text center. I already told you, right? Text center we already used in many places. So text center. Okay, now it came to text. And now if you observe, uh, this one have a background color yellow and this one have a background color green, right? Let's do that. So let's write some classes, and we have already classes actually. bg warning, which gives us yellow color, but it is not giving. Maybe let's check here backgrounds in bootstrap. If any classes, we will use that classes, otherwise we will write in css because we know css, right? So we'll write sorry, not bootstrap, what I'm searching, background, right? So background. Okay, so you can see here bg warning. bg warning, I don't know why it is not applying because of any other things. Warning spelling is correct, right? Okay, so here bg light is there. Let's remove this and try. No, bg warning is not working. It's okay, we'll write a custom class here. Okay, so bg warning, and let's take that color from Colorzilla. Okay, so we'll put background color, important because it's a bootstrap class. Okay, pretty good. And okay, that is fine. And this transfer also green color, right? Let's write that bg success. Okay, let's take that color from Colorzilla. Okay, very good. Then we'll apply that same class here, bg success. And if you come here, let's make this one little bit bold. Okay, or else let's make that white and bold. Okay, then it will be fine. So for making white, we can apply class text light, which applies the white color to that particular text. And for making it bold, we can apply font weight bold class, which is fw bold. Okay, like white is good then compared to black, right? So we'll apply same classes to top up also. Top up, that is not good. We'll apply this text light for both. Then we'll apply text light for the second one, and that remaining the same as first. Now this is fine, right? So this is fine. So if you want to do any changes, you can do it. Okay, so let me apply some padding to this card, parent card. So what's our parent card here? This one, right? Instead of p2, px3. Let's see. Not good, right? So we'll do one thing, we'll reduce the balance card width to 100. Let's see how it comes. Okay, good, right? So this is okay. Now we have the we did this, right? So let's do this card also. Okay, so for that, inside this, take another div. So put it in card, because it is a card here, right? Because it is a card here, put it in a card. And we have a your address text. Okay, let's see here, it is like attached to this, right? So let's put some margin to this. So margin top mt3, so it's already bootstrap class, and now it is good. So what we'll do is we'll put some padding also, p2. So okay, or else we can put p3. Very good. And this one is looking a little bit bold, so let's apply bold class, fw bold, which is font weight bold. So now it is looking bold. And look, it is a gray, right? So let's apply class called text gray, we already wrote. So if you remember, okay, very good. Your address, and then we have this Amy Street 23 text, right? So let's write that, put a div, write the text. You can't copy here, right? So suppose I like write Simuleduco Solutions, and it is like that. So for making it, you can put either custom class and write the font size and font weight, or else you can just put it in h3 or h4, whatever it is, you can make use of them. Okay, h3 is too high, we'll put h4 maybe. Okay, this is good. So now this is a dummy text. Let's keep the, let's add some dummy text. You can take some dummy text from anywhere. Okay, and just, so let's keep the div. Okay, so that's it. But this card is like looking background color is not good, right? So we'll put bg light, which applies the white color to our card. Perfect. And we'll remove this border also, which is not looking good. So for that, we already discussed border 0. So then this border will go, right? Perfect, right? So it's like, so looking the same one. And then we'll do this add details, then order menu card, then checkout button. That's it. Then we are very good to go. Okay, so let's do this. Let's add these buttons. Okay, for that we have a class called button, sorry, we have a tag called button. So let's write that. What is the button name? Add details, right? So add details. So if you write this, it will look something like this. So this is a like ordinary button. So let's style this. Okay, let's style this. Let's put one class for this button, add details button. Okay, add details btn I'm writing. So you know how to style it. So first we'll apply this background color. So of course that background color is purple, right? So we already have a class, so we can directly apply this bg purple, bg not purple, sorry, bg violet, right? So bg violet, sorry. And for this you can apply text light also. I think i think we don't need a css, we can just write in bootstrap itself. Let's try writing that. So this is fine. Let's do one thing, let's remove this border. So for that, border space border hyphen 0. So border got removed. Let's apply some padding, p2. Very good. Let's do one thing, let's apply some border radius rounded. Perfect. And let's make that little bit bold using fw bold. Good. We achieved the same thing using bootstrap without using any css. Yeah, I'm proud of myself. You should be proud of yourself also. Okay, so this is the button we wrote, right? So and we have, if you see, we have another two more buttons. Let's do that also. Okay, so let's keep this in div. Let's write one div, and we'll keep each button in one div. And let's copy the same here. And what is that button name? Add nodes, right? So add nodes. So here instead of that bg violet, we need white color, right? So we'll put bg white. And text, right? Text light, it is there. So we'll remove this text light, because of that white color text is coming. And now it is not looking like a button. So we need a border. So for that border, of course, we need to write on css. Okay, suppose border, we need purple border, right? Sorry, violet border. So we need violet border. I am keeping a class called border violet, and coming here, border 1px. You know how I told you, right? 1px solid. What is that violet color code? I already told you what is border and all in our previous sessions. Okay, perfect. We'll increase this to 2 pixels so that it will look pretty good. Okay, perfect. So and another one is there, right? Another button is there which is looking same like add nodes. So let's copy that add nodes div itself and just change the icon. Instead of add nodes, what is that? Pencil icon is there, right? Edit icon is there. So let's search for icons. The edit icon, search for edit. Let's take this pencil. Sorry, this is pen. Okay, and instead of add nodes, we'll keep that. And let's see. Good. Let's all make this in a single line using, I told you, right? Using which class? Using dflex. Okay, display flex. We can make it in single class. So we'll keep some margins. Okay. So to this div, we'll write one class equal to me2, which is margin end. Me means margin end. Okay, so don't get confused about these classes. You can easily learn once you get good idea on it. So let's apply some margin to the top also, because it is looking like attached to the text. Now it is good. Okay, so now you can see that these buttons are okay. Here this text is not good, right? Like text is in purple color, so we have to write another color. It's called text violet. So I'm just getting confused between this purple and violet. Every time I confuse. So color, okay, color still is not coming. Text violet. Anything we applied? Okay, okay. We are applying for a wrong one. Let's do that to this one. Okay, done. Okay, this is good. And for pencil icon also we need, of course, we need this text violet. But I don't know whether it will apply or we need to apply. Okay, it came, text violet came, so that pencil also came in text violet tag. Okay, so this is how. Next one is what? Order menu, right? Order menu. So let's do that. Okay, let's do that. Order menu. So for that we need another card. So same thing, we need one card. And let's put text another one div and write h2 order menu. And let's see the output. So it's very big, right? Let's put h3. This is fine. Okay, this is fine. And let's apply some margin and padding. mt2 or p2 or p2 is fine. Okay, good. And let's apply this background color white. So using bg light. Okay, good. And let's remove that border. Border 0. Good, right? Or else you can use simply h4 if you are feeling that h3 is like a little big. You can simply use h4. Okay, pretty good. And let me remove this text for a little bit. Okay, I am feeling that this much big address won't be there, right? This is good. Okay, so let's do order menu. what all these things are, right? Chicken, cheeseburger, vegan pizza. So we'll use these things only. Chicken biryani, veg fried rice, and hakka noodles. Okay. So we'll use these things. First we'll design one part, then we can copy paste it. Okay. So first we'll do this thing. So order menu, right? So come to this div, and inside we'll write style for each menu. First one, what image is there, right? So we'll take one image from here, or else we can do one thing. We'll okay, image is fine. Just we'll take image from here. Okay. So we kept image, and let's see the output. So this one is very big, right? So let's reduce the width to 100 and height to 100. That is also I'm feeling it will be a little bit high. So let's keep it 70-70. Okay, perfect. So let's keep some margin to the parent name. Okay, class equal to mt2. Okay, let's keep some margin. 2 is fine. Okay, so now we need chicken biryani text here. What is that? Chicken biryani text, and then quantity, and then price, right? So let's do one thing. So this is one div, right? Let's write one div, and inside this we'll put chicken biryani. So we'll give chicken biryani. We'll style it later. First I'm just telling you. Okay, so we'll style it later, chicken biryani, and then another div. There we'll have quantity. So quantity colon, suppose we'll put 2. Okay, and another one will have that. What is another one? Price, right? So we'll put price 200. Okay, we'll copy that. Let's go top and copy that rupee symbol. Okay, then copy this. Sorry, you can copy this and put it here. So this is how it is looking, right? So we'll move this chicken biryani to here, this quantity and 200. First we'll move this entire thing to here. Okay, using that, how we can do? Using deflex. Okay, using deflex we'll move side by side. Class equal to deflex. Class spelling is mistake. Okay, so deflex, then it one came, right? So this image and text is like no space, right? So we'll apply margin to this image, so that text like this one came, right? So what we'll do is we'll apply some like font weight bold to this chicken biryani quantity and a price, so that it will look good. So what we'll do is class fw bold. Okay, pretty good. So this quantity is 2, and we'll make this price here. So that how can we do? So we can apply deflex to this div. Okay, to this div we can apply deflex, and you can see it is coming side by side. And if you apply justify content between, we already did it. Okay, so we already did it, justify content between, then perfect. So it will come like this. Okay, and let me try to inspect it. Okay, okay. So see, this one there is a called a flex grow. So I don't want to tell you about this concept and make you confused. Yes, I'll tell you one thing, that is, so if you write a deflex, so the elements will occupy only the length it is needed. Okay, the length it is needed, it will occupy. See, if you check here, this image is occupied and this one is occupied, but there is a still some space, right? So still some space, you can see that in blue color cross, there is still some empty space. So no element will occupy that, but if you keep this flex grow class, then what it will happen is this complete element will occupy that, the second element, right? Whichever element we kept this flex grow one, so it will occupy the remaining space. You can see that. So first one is occupied this much space, and remaining all space is occupied by the second element, because we use this flex grow one class. Okay, so that, just remember that. Okay, now chicken biryani is done, right? So now let's go with the, this is the card, right? Okay, so this is the div. Let's copy this div. Sorry. copied. Okay, so let's apply some margin top. Perfect, right? So for this you can change to chicken biryani, veg fried rice. So let's change the images also. Chicken biryani. Okay, so let's see the output. Okay, so this is our output. This is look, this is good, right? So this is good. Order menu chicken biryani quantity 200. Okay, everything is fine. And the next one is total, right? So and you can, if you observe, there is a line here. So for that we have a tag called HR, which is horizontal row. There is a tag called HR in HTML, which is horizontal row. This is a self closing tag, so there won't be any closing tag for this. Okay, HR, and if you come here, see that line came. Okay, if you want that line, you don't need to write separate CSS and all. There is already predefined tag which is called HR. Okay, you can use that. And then service and total, right? So let's write that. We'll put one div, service. So service, and then suppose service is like, we'll put 200 rupees. Service is 100 rupees, and then total, right? So total, will make it 220, 180, 400, 500, 600, 700, right? So we'll put 700 and let's see our output. So it is showing down by down, right? So what we'll do is, first way, let's make this as side by side. So for this, for making coming it as side, you need to apply reflex, justify content between. This one you already applied, you can just check it out. Okay, so I'm just doing the same with this one. Okay, and perfect. Okay, service and total. So let's apply some font weight for this service. Font weight, right? FW bold. Okay, I want to make it bold, so FW bold, very good. And also you can check, there's a gray, right? That so for getting that gray color, we have already class called text gray. We already written in CSS. Okay, then second one for this color is text violet, right? Text violet, we can apply text violet, and then text violet plus font weight bold. Okay, and you can do the same with this for this, and class equal to fw bold, and you can see the output. Okay, so let's apply some margin for this so that it will, it won't attach to that part. Pretty good. So and let's make this prices also to this color, so it will be good. So by using this text violet, we can apply this text violet to this price car. So text violet, let's copy this and put all the prices. Perfect, right? So see, the service total and all, and then is have a coupon code is there, that you we have still 10 minutes, right? 10 more minutes. That I'll do that. That this button and all, just you take care of. Okay, okay. So for that, what we need to do, we have to maintain separate card. So this is the here one card is ended. So then open new card, and let's write, for that we'll write class equal to card, and what is that inside, have a coupon code, right? Have a coupon code. So let's write have a coupon code question mark, not question mark here. So have a coupon code. So like this it is coming, right? So we'll write some styles. So mt3 p2. So whatever styles we wrote for other classes, right? Sorry, other cards. So we'll write the same. Perfect. And let's apply some background. Okay. So here black color background is there, right? So we'll put bg dark and apply background color black. Okay, black. It is not apply bg dark. Okay, okay, no important I need to put, right? Sorry, because it's a bootstrap class I need to put important. Okay, perfect. And the text should be white, right? So we can apply either text light class here, or else you can directly write color white in bg dark class itself. Okay, so text white. And then if you want to make it font bold, you can make it font bold. Perfect. And here there is icon for this coupon, right? You can search for that icon. Is there any icon is available for a coupon? Okay, you can search for it. And yes, there is. Maybe this one is fine. We'll do this one. Okay, this one is good. So we'll put that and see it. Okay, have a coupon code. That's it. Perfect. Okay, so like this you can do the things. And if you want to put it arrow itself, you can search for arrow, which is right arrow. So chevron right. So this one you can copy and you can put it inside another div, and you can wrap it in single div and use deflex. Okay, was equal to deflex. Just see, I am typing this much fast because I know the class names, right? So you will, once you try it, you will also get this class names under to your mind. So just make sure that you follow the video after this recorded session I am providing, right? So just make sure that you go through that video and do the things. Okay, perfect. Okay, and there is a then checkout button will be there, right? So that checkout button you design by yourself. So this is it, guys. So this is what our project is, and this is what ours is. Okay, so not exactly same because of that images font style, so things will vary but similar. Okay, so the same similar thing we design. See, we design from a like we are writing hello world program to this type of website we came to till here. Okay, so that much easy web designing. So you have to just put a little bit of interest, and there is so many things that will excite you. Okay, this is just I'm doing with html css and bootstrap. There is a things that will excite you with using js, and there is things in angular, there is things in react, there is things in node.js, mongodb. So many things are there. So we'll discuss that in coming workshop. So we are planning to do this javascript workshop next. We'll discuss that in coming workshop. So this is how you design a static website. Okay, there is a static website using html css and bootstrap. Okay, and these are not functional thing. Functional, this won't work, but just static website. I told you, right? I told you initial, like we are going to design a static website, and this is how we can do. Okay, so this is it, guys. So if you want to add more pages and all, so that you can do. Okay, that you can do. And now I'll tell you how to host this website. See, Simuleduco, if I access simuleduco.com, so this website is coming, right? Simuleduco.com, our website is coming, right? So like that, see, currently if you see this is running on my live server. That means running in local. And if you access it, if you try to access this in your system, you won't get it because this one is running in my local. Okay, you won't get access for this. But see, uh, for this website simuleduco.com, you can access it from my system, you can access it from your system, everywhere you can access it through a internet, right? So like that I want to access this website. Okay, how can I do that? Okay, so let's see that we have a platform called Netlify for free hosting. So one thing is like you can purchase hosting like a server, and you can purchase domains and all, and you can do that. Otherwise, if you want to go for a free hosting, we have so many free hosting websites. So one website is like Netlify. So Netflix is coming. Netlify. hosting. Okay, Netlify hosting, and you will get this netlify.com. Just open that netlify.com website, and here you can click on login or sign up. If you don't have anything, you can just click on sign up. Okay, and sign up with email, right? Just click on the sign up with email. Enter this one, right? So I am entering. So I'm entering password. So after this, check your mail. You will get one sign up mail. So just check your mail. Get anything. Steam address. So you will get, maybe because of our sister workspace account, right? Maybe that's why I'm not getting mail. Or else did I give anything wrong? Team at the rate Simuleduco. That's fine. I'll try with my personal mail. Okay. So I'll try with my personal mail. So just go to sign up. Okay. Give your mail. So I'm giving my personal mail. I think I have already account. Okay. Team at the rate team.simuleduco at the rate gmail.com. So okay, so I'm trying to log in. Oh, sorry. I need to sign up, right? But why it is showing? Okay, so team.simuleduco@gmail.com. So mail sent. So I'm just checking my mail. So that mail is not logged in my laptop. Let me check. Just give me a second. Okay. Yeah. So I got a mail that to verify email. One email I got. So just there you will see verify button. So after clicking on that, then your Netlify account, like it will get verified. Okay, it will get verified, and now you can just click on go to login screen. Okay, now you can just click on go to login screen and enter the details and login. Okay, just give me a second, guys. So you have to, after clicking on that verify mail, it will take you to one page. Okay, your mail will get verified, and it will take to one page. Okay, it will take you to one page which, like, it will ask for your first name, last name and all. Okay, and just you can click on continue. Just I'll try to log in now. Okay, I'll try to log in here. Just click on login, right? So, and that's it. You will get some sign up questions. So like I told you, right, you will get like these questions. So you can give it Simuleduco Solutions, personal, web app, hobby developer, Narendra CH, continue to deploy. Okay, so deploy your first project using try Netlify drop. Okay, just click on that Netlify drop, and here browse to upload, you will see a button. Just click on that browse to upload and select your project folder. Okay, so I am selecting my project folder. It is in desktop, which is the name I named it as dashboard, right? Okay, so just click on desktop, and you can see that dashboard project here, and just click on upload. That's it. So here you will get confirmation. Just upload it. Okay, so here uploading, please don't refresh it. So don't refresh your page, so it will get uploading. So great work setting up elegant panda 43 something, it was came. Just click on that get started, and here you can see this page. Okay, and if you scroll down, you can see this owned by another ch published something, this, right? Just click on that, and if you see here, there is one url, elegant panda 4319. This is randomly generated by Netlify. Just click on that, and that's it. You can see your dashboard. See, you can see your dashboard. Now you can access this one. You can access also, and you can see like this one, right? Elegant panda 4319, which is very tough, right? This one you can edit it. Okay, how you can edit it? Just click on site configuration and site details. Here you can see this change site name. Just click on the change site name. Here you can give enter whatever you need. Okay, so I'm giving simuleduco.netlify app, and if you click on save, yes, simuleduco.netlify.app is there, and if you click on this link now, you can simply access your web page. Okay, this is what, like, if I am keeping it in chart. Okay, so I'm keeping it in chart. You can simply click on that, and you will access what I did now. You will access that page. Don't open it in mobile, and if you open it in mobile, I'll show you how it will show, because like, so we didn't do this mobile responsive thing, right? So it will show like this. Our website is will show like this. So we need to do mobile responsive also. Okay, that I'll tell you in coming workshops. I can't cover that in like mobile responsive. I can't cover that in this workshop. But if you open it, it will show like this. So that much simple. You can host your website. Okay. So that much simply you can host your website. Okay. So I'll delete this. But this it is that much simple that you can simply host your website in Netlify. Okay. So if you have still any doubt, you can just like just look again into this recording session. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is it for our workshop. Hope you gained some knowledge in this workshop. Okay, so let me turn off this recording.